Hi students, coming to the next topic in the subject database management system is components of database management system. So actually I said the database management system is nothing but it is a software used to manage the database. So here you are having, suppose the users, the components that are present in database management system are the users, software. So these are the related terms that are used in DBMS: hardware and the data. So everything will be communicating on this. So the users wants to communicate the data with the help of the software and the hardware. So what are the users here? Users. So users are nothing but the application programmers who implement the application. Users or application programmers, or you can call end users, or also you can call the database administrators, the person who is managing the database in a company. You call it as a database administrator. So the user may be the application programmer or the end users or the database administrator. Now coming to the software. So what do you call this software? A software is nothing but here it controls the organization, storage. It controls the storage management, and retrieval of data in database. So that you call it as a software. A software here is nothing but it is controls the organization, complete organization, storage management, and retrieval of data in a database. You call it as a software. Now coming to the hardware. So what is a hardware? So what is the role that it performs in database management system? Hardware. So hardware of a system can range from PC to a network of components, and it also include various storage devices like hard disk and some IO devices, input output devices like monitor, printer, etc. So these are all comes under the hardware. So hardware is a system which can range from personal computer to a network components. So here it also includes some various storage devices. So hard disk, IO devices are all comes under the hardware. So if we want to communicate with the data, we need some storage devices to store the data like hard disk, and also we require some IO devices like monitor, printer to retrieve the data and to display the data on the screen. We need some hardware devices, and also if you want to see the hard copy, you need some printer. So these hardware will it is one of the component that is used in the database management system. Now coming to the main thing, that is the data. So what is the data here? What type of data we call here? What type of data that we stored in the database? Okay, so the data stored in database includes, so what type of data will store in database? It includes numerical data, non-numerical data, or logical data. So these different types of data can stored in the database. So it may be any of the data. It may be numerical, non-numerical, or logical data that can stored in the database. Okay, so these are the different components that are present in the data if you are accessing the database management system: users, software, hardware, and data. Thank you.